Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the DeWalt Z254 and Z260 Zero Turn mowers. Both powered by a 24 horsepower Kawasaki FS730 engine. They run hydro gear, 3,400 pumps. If you notice, nice heavy deck, fully welded guard up front, anti-scalp wheels on the front of the deck, nice large smooth tires, and got some nice features like you can adjust your nice heavy duty lever brackets, easy to adjust. The mower height of cut is nice with just a dial. So you just select the dial and then drop it into the desired height that you set. Control panel right along the side, electric PTO clutch starter, hour meter right along the side. So probably the question is, why DeWalt? So DeWalt is owned by Stanley Black & Decker, which also owns Cub Cadet. So they branded some riders under the DeWalt name, and it didn't go quite as well. You know, Cub's kind of known as the gas unit. So if you watch some of my other videos, the Cub Cadet ZTX5 and ZTX6, this is basically the same machine. It kind of has some different features, but for the most part, it's the same chassis, same machine. So the reason why you see these here, when they didn't go over quite as planned, we made a special buy on these, so it's a good way to save a couple $1,000s off the comparable Cub unit. Still get a great mower, still backed by a 4-year warranty through the Stanley Black & Decker channel. So if you're looking for a great buy on a great mower, give us a call before they're gone. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.